Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum people, I'm 𝐂𝐴. You're watching a car review and this is called the Hongqi E-HS9. This is the production model of the Hongqi E-HS9 and look at the logo of the Hongqi. It's red. The Hongqi means red flag in English and it resembles the Chinese flag. So this is called the Hongqi E-HS9. Look at the shape of this. This car is equipped with the L3 plus autonomous driving. So how beautiful is this Hongqi E-HS9? This Hongqi E-HS9 is coming with the 6-seater version or a 7-seater version, and it's a fully electric SUV, a full-size electric SUV. Today we are going to review this one. I have borrowed this beautiful Hongqi E-HS9 from Quattro Motors in Ras Al Khor. Jump in the description, go into their links if you need anything like this or any other car. They will give you a discount on my name. So the starting price of the Hongqi E-HS9 2024 model starts at around $67,000. The price can vary in different regions because of the custom taxes and offers from different dealers. In UAE, the 2024 model starts at 495,000 UAE dirhams. It can jump up to 530,000 UAE dirhams, the top version. This specific car is 2021 model. If you want to get this one, you can jump to Quattro Motors, say my name and get this car in 229,000 UAE dirhams. So the front look of the Hongqi, have a look at this nice grille. Wow. What a nice grille. Let me unlock the car and let me show you the lights. Look at the LED over here. Look at these LEDs. This is the full and low beam over here. Look at the Hongqi logo. And this sign resembles the Chinese flag, the red flag. Okay, so this thing is really nice when you drive the car and when you sit there and look at this chrome and red light over here. It's in the dashboard also. It gives you a very nice feeling. The grille. So have you thought that this car is similar to the Rolls-Royce Cullinan? Posting the picture over here. Look, from the front, they try to make it like the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, but it's not that condition. Anyways, you have the cameras, some sensors, the vents are functional, the radars you have, and even you have a bumper lip down there. And a nice long hood of the Hongqi E-HS9 from front with the nice lights, and the LED work done here is great. So the power of the Hongqi E-HS9, a full-size electric SUV, got two different battery packs. One is the 84 kWh battery pack. It gives you around 435 horsepower and 396 kilometers of range. 0 to 100 in 6.5 seconds, the slowest version. This is the 99 kWh battery, 551 horsepower, 495 kilometers of range. This car can jump from 0 to 100 in 4.9 seconds. So this is the side look of the Hongqi E-HS9. Look at the wheels. You also have options for 22-inch wheels in the different variants. You can add up, and the logo still goes on. I mean the Hongqi logo, and it represents the red flag as I told you. When you unlock the car, this is the charging port actually. You can open it from the screen. The folding mirrors with some nice design over here with the camera under, and you have door handles that pop out and go in like that. Okay, so when you lock, they go in. When you unlock, they pop out. And this is a very long car. You can see a very heavy and long doors that you can open like this and close like that. A long doors, even the long door backside, and that's how you open them. It's a very heavy car. And at the back you have chrome work done all over. It starts from this area and goes till the end, and when it reaches till end, it's getting thicker and thicker. These are the lights. When you charge the car, they will show you the charging status of the car. I have shown you this also in other electric cars. So this is the all-over look of the Hongqi E-HS9. So coming on to the back look, have a look at this big spoiler, the light. You have a wiper. I don't know, it's written Hongqi, and also the Hongqi E-HS9. And look at the lights. These lights are from the H9 actually. It's similar lights, almost similar lights. You have a big tailgate, a nice chrome work done over here, and some of the lights, reflectors, and kind of exhaust, but it's chrome. Some of the sensors over here. This is the tailgate, how you can open like that. You can open the tailgate. You have a cargo area. You can fold the seats with the help of buttons. You can do like that and press them, the seats will fold, and similar way you can unfold them. There is the button that you can press and automatically the tailgate will close. When you unlock the car, look at the LEDs over here and the small LEDs inside the lights as well. So this is the all long LED bar running all over the tailgate over here, and this is the back look of the Hongqi E-HS9 with some chrome strip at the back. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are inside the Hongqi E-HS9's interior. Look at the seats. They are Alcantara and leather. The design, look at the design. They are so nice VIP seats. Okay, so let's sit in the car. This is the interior of the Hongqi E-HS9. Oh, the doors are so smooth. Okay, so let me tell you, this is the first car that I have seen. When I was writing the description and all that, I noticed that there are 3 screens coming in the top variant. I haven't seen any car with the 3 screens, like the gauge cluster 16.2 inches, the infotainment screen 16.2 inches, and there is screen here for the passenger media screen that is 16.2 inches screen, and you have a climate control screen. So overall you got 4 screens in the top variant of the Hongqi E-HS9. The thing which I love is you can see this the red light or red piece here that's representing the logo of the Hongqi, and it's still over here in the dashboard, even in the front bonnet and in the steering wheel. So you can see all these things and you can enjoy. Okay, let's talk about the quality. The quality is not the top quality, but it is nice. Some things like this one, it's a cheap material, not that good material. So if you compare the price with the competitors, you will say that's okay for me. No problem. Okay, so let's talk about the Hongqi's interior. Nice doors, nice styles with the stitching. Look at this design. The door handles, they are so smooth. You have a lot of storage space over here. Nice design on the doors. The button quality is really nice. This is the steering wheel. It's a very ordinary normal steering wheel. There are some buttons on the steering wheel that you can control this small screen to just left and right and see some small tiny details. In the center you have a speedometer. The gear lever, it will show you that in which gear you are here, and that's how you can shift into the gears. Over here you have the 16.2 inches infotainment screen. So there is nothing much in this infotainment screen but the normal settings. This is your profile. You can go and set up your account and you can add up your phone and everything. This is the navigation. It will convert all the screen into the navigation map and you can just use the navigation. The music, radio, video, news, gallery, and etc. This is the vehicle settings. You can go in the vehicle settings and have a look at the comfort settings, drive modes, lighting settings, cruise functions, security settings, drive assistance settings. And in the charging, it will show you the AC port, DC port, and how much charge is left in the car. It's 94% showing me now. And there is something else over here. It's in Chinese. I think this is the app store of Chinese. I don't know, because I don't know Chinese. So it's a very simple screen. There is nothing much advanced in the screen. So over here you have the AC vents over here, something written in Chinese here. This is the totally climate control screen. You can control the climate from this screen, and you can adjust the airflow and heated seats and all that. This is the floating center console. Have a look. Hello. Hi. Okay, so you have a hazard button over here. This is the electronic parking button. You have one button over here. When you press it, so you will open the glove box here. It's not opening. No, you see. So it will open the glove box compartment, and you have cup holders, 2 cup holders, and this is the key of the Hongqi E-HS9. A very simple key, because Chinese car nowadays, which I'm reviewing, they have very advanced keys. This is the thing that I like the most, because the armrest in whatever car I have noticed, they are all simple and normal, but this is Hongqi E-HS9, so they have given some styles, diamond styles, stitching on the armrest. When you open it, you have 2 charging ports and some of the storage space over here, and a very nice stitching on it. And look at the seats. You got very nice seats with the headrest over here with the nice material over here. It's a very soft cushion, and at the top you have the panoramic glass roof, and this is the button that you can open and close your panoramic roof cover. So this is it in the front of the Hongqi E-HS9. Let's go at the back. I'll show you the back seats of the Hongqi E-HS9. So we are in the back seats of the Hongqi E-HS9. This is the 6-seater version of the E-HS9 and a very spacious one. I really like the back seats. You can see these are automatic seats. You can see the buttons there, and you can move your seat with the help of buttons automatically. And you have the climate control screen over here that you can adjust your climate control. These are the AC vents. You have charging ports over here. Even you have ports for your toaster. And some of the storage space here. You have storage space at the back of the seats. A nice trim over here when you look at from the back, and a very spacious car. Look, a very spacious car, man. This is nice. You got the armrests at the side of your seats, and you are a VIP person that driving in the Hongqi E-HS9. Let's go in the back and let me show you how much room is for the 5th and 6th passenger here in the Hongqi E-HS9. So at the 5th and 6th seat of the E-HS9, but to be very honest, I don't feel very good in this because this car is so packed, so you don't have a place, you feel that suffocated. But the headroom is so nice. Even at the 3rd row seat, you have a screen that you can adjust the climate control over here as well, and you have some lights, and even you have the charging port on the left and right of both the seats. Wow, this is really nice. You can control the air condition from this screen at the top of the roof. This is a nice option for the 3rd row seats passenger. Really impressive. They have given some of the nice options, even the ports and all that, and the seat quality is really nice. Very nice seat quality. So this is the 3rd row seat. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are driving the Hongqi E-HS9, and this car is the direct competitor to Rolls-Royce Cullinan. So this car is like the half of the price of the Cullinan. Not half, actually, the quarter. So the starting the price, I told you, like 495, the top range of the Hongqi. And the Chinese cars, they are just improving day by day, and they are making like every kind of a car, the sports car, the SUVs, the electric, and everything. This is an electric car, so driving it's really smooth. This is the more powerful version, the 99 kilowatt hour of battery pack, and giving you around 465 kilometers of range, and it's reacting really nice on the bumps and the sharp turns. It's really smooth, actually. I don't hear any noise, anything, even the motor noise. When you drive the electric car, you have the motor noise when you drive it on the roads in high speed. So I just tried it now, but there was no sound, no noise. It's very nice. And the chrome trim that is on the bonnet in the front, it gives you a really nice feeling when you are driving this thing on the road, because it's a unique design, you have a unique feeling. So when you go on the road, like people, they are looking at you like what kind of this thing is, because this is not so known. The Chinese brands, they are just taking over the market now. They are making every type of car, the electric cars, the petrol cars, and in cheaper price. As I've told you that this kind of a car, this is like shaped like a Cullinan. So the Cullinan is around like 2 million dirhams. This thing starts at around 500,000. So you can compare the price and all the options. Even you get like in the top variant, you got 3 16.2 inches screen. This one you got 2 16.2 inches screen. One is the gauge cluster, one is the infotainment screen, and even you have a different screen for the climate control. So this is amazing. And you also have a 7-seater or a 6-seater version. This is the main thing, because when you have like top elite kind of cars, they don't have 7-seater option. So this car is having a 7-seater option, and you can see it's very spacious. Can fit big 7 or 6 people in this car easily, with the nice headroom, nice legroom, and even all the options. Whenever you're going into the parking, the camera options is so nice in Chinese cars. They're giving you so high resolution cameras, and with all the views, left, right, the bird eye view, 2D, 3D, wide view, rim view, each and every view they'll give you to assist you better in these kind of spaces. So that's really nice. If you're looking for something like this and you're looking for SUV with these kind of options, but it should look like a Rolls-Royce, you should think about this, because this is so good in price. And now we are going to try this thing in the power. So you got a 99 kilowatt hour battery giving power to the motors and producing 551 horsepower, 0 to 100 in 4.9 seconds, the fastest version. This is the fastest version with 551 horsepower. You got the slowest version, it will go from 0 to 100 in 6.5 seconds. So we're going to try it. Let's try how, because this thing is heavy, so I feel that it will not go that fast. But anyways, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so as I told you, this car is so heavy, but this car is really smooth. It's giving me power, but not that much. It's heavier, but it's keeping the car smooth. It's reacting so nice when you touch the steering wheel and everything, because some of the cars, the steering is so light. When you just accelerate the car, you can just lose control because of the wheel, because steering wheel, it's so light. This car have a very smooth steering wheel and a smart steering wheel. So when you're just pushing the car, it's really reacting nice. And even on the sharp turns, the humps, this car is reacting so nice. Except some of the cheap material in the car, this is amazing car. If you're looking to buy a SUV and you're looking for an electric one, you should keep this in your list. And if you're going to buy a Rolls-Royce, Cullinan, or the high-end luxury SUVs, you should keep in mind the Hongqi E-HS9, and you can compare the price, compare the options, compare the drive, and then you can choose. As compared to the price, I told you this car is really cheaper than the other brands, and it's giving you nice shape, nice look, all the options, smooth drive, and almost 500 kilometers of range. So this was the Hongqi E-HS9. Hope you enjoyed the video. If by mistake I have given you any wrong information, my apologies for that. If you like to see videos in Urdu language, you can subscribe to my channel, that's Q Asia. If you have something unique, you can mail me at this email ID. Do take care of yourself and my channel as well. Till the next video, peace out.